Are you tired of wrestling with bulky vacuums that make cleaning a chore? Say hello to the Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion for tackling pet hair and keeping your floors spotless. This 2-in-1 2-in-stick vacuum is designed to make cleaning a breeze with its lightweight and versatile design. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Unmatched cleaning performance. The Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Vacuum sets itself apart with its exceptional cleaning performance. Tested in our labs in Cambridge, Massachusetts, this cordless vacuum exceeded our expectations, picking up an impressive 34% of dirt per pass. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, carpets, or area rugs, this vacuum gets the job done with ease. Effortless maneuverability. Thanks to its 180-degree ease-steer technology, the Ergorapido Pet Vacuum offers unmatched maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around furniture and tight corners with ease. Its self-propelled brush head glides across the floor effortlessly, making cleaning a virtually effortless task. Plus, with bright LED headlights, you can easily spot hidden messes under furniture and in dark corners. Lightweight and convenient design. Weighing in at just 5.4 pounds, the Ergorapido Pet Vacuum is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for users of all ages and abilities. Its compact size and 2-in-1 design make it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like stairs, upholstery, and the inside of your car. Plus, with its self-standing upright design, you can easily take breaks during cleaning without having to worry about the vacuum toppling over. Pet-friendly features. As its name suggests, the Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Vacuum is specially designed to tackle pet hair and dander. With its powerful suction and specialized pet nozzle, you can effectively remove pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and more. Plus, with its antimicrobial treated filter, you can rest assured that your home stays clean and fresh. What users are saying: on Electrolux's website, the Ergorapido Pet Vacuum receives rave reviews, with users praising its lightweight design, powerful suction, and versatility. While some users have noted issues with the pet nozzle, overall, the consensus is overwhelmingly positive. In conclusion, the Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Vacuum is the perfect solution for pet owners and anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. With its powerful suction, lightweight design, and pet-friendly features, this cordless vacuum offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Say goodbye to bulky vacuums and hello to effortless cleaning with the Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Vacuum. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.